Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Steven from Simple Tech. So today I'm going to show you how you can check your IP address using any browser. Before we get there, thank you so much for 108 subscribers. I hope I'm adding value to your life and making you know some simple tricks. Thank you so much. And to those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. I really appreciate your support. So getting back to our topic today, just go to your favorite browser and write what is my IP address, and depending on the browser you are using and the search engine, you may get a quick link of the IP address of your IP address. But if you don't get this, you can go to the first link that you will get, whatismyipaddress.com. Just click to open. And now this one will give you more information about your IP address, the IPv4, which is now your IP address, the ISP, that is Internet Service Provider, the city you are in, the region, and the country. And that is how simple you can check your IP address. So thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until next time, goodbye.